It's recording now.
No, don't put me on Tumblr, please. I don't want any of my future boss to know.
What, that you were dancing with the bunny?
Yeah.
Come on, dance again.
Jordan, you have beautiful chest hair.
Oh, you want to dance? Okay.
Oh my god! A better romance story than Twilight.
I'm gonna go test this out.
Now we must kiss.
Oh my god! You're devouring her face.
Oh, you would like a
Devour your
kiss?
face?
And I'll show you how we say hello in Oklahoma.
Watch this. Hang on, Jordan. Come here.
What are you doing? Get your finger out. I'm done.
Oh my god,
Man, it's big in here.
You can't really see.
No, I got more that I was gonna give you anyway, so.
Oh my god.
Because you wanted that one too, right?
Yes, I do.